If you share an item with friends or family, like your keys, you can share an AirTag or a Find My compatible item so you can all keep track of it. In this video, we'll show you how to share an AirTag in Find My, accept an invitation to a shared AirTag, and how to stop sharing. Before you start, make sure two-factor authentication is turned on for your Apple ID. You and everyone you share with must be signed into iCloud and have iCloud keychain turned on. All set? First, let's learn how to share an AirTag with someone. In the Find My app, tap the Items tab and tap the AirTag you'd like to share. Then drag up on the handle and tap Add Person. A screen will appear notifying you that when you share an AirTag, everyone you share with can locate it in Find My and will not receive tracking notifications when the AirTag is moving with them. When you're ready to start sharing, tap Continue. Now, tap someone in the list of suggested contacts or enter the name of a contact, then tap Share. Your recipient will receive a notification that an AirTag has been shared with them, and they will need to accept the invitation. Now we'll show you how to accept an invitation to a shared AirTag. To get to the invitation, open Find My and tap the Items tab. The invitation appears in your items list with the name of the person who shared it with you. If you'd like to add the AirTag to Find My, tap Add. You'll be notified that everyone that shares this AirTag can locate it in Find My and will not receive tracking notifications when the AirTag is moving with them. When you're ready, tap Add to accept the invitation. Once you've added the AirTag, you'll be able to see its location on the map. And if you're using a supported iPhone, you can find its precise location. Now let's learn how to stop sharing an AirTag with someone. From the Items tab in the Find My app, tap the Shared AirTag. Drag up on the handle and tap the name of the contact you'd like to remove. Now tap Remove, and a screen will appear notifying you that your contact will no longer be able to locate this AirTag in Find My and may receive tracking notifications when the AirTag is moving with them. If you'd like to continue, tap Stop Sharing. Share an item, share an AirTag. To learn more about your Apple devices, subscribe to the Apple Support YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.